In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a secondary email from your Gmail account. This process is crucial for users who want to streamline their contact information, ensuring that their Gmail settings are as tidy and up-to-date as possible. Let's dive right in and explore this straightforward process with Google, reshaping your email profile to suit your current needs better. First, it's important to open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail's main website. Once there, ensure you are logged into your Gmail account using your primary credentials. If you find yourself on the default inbox page, you're in the right place. From here, we're aiming to access the account settings. So, move your cursor towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is the settings icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you should select See All Settings. This option will lead you to a comprehensive settings page where all your account adjustments can be managed seamlessly. Once you're on the settings page, you need to locate the Accounts and Import tab. Click on it, and this will open a section dedicated to managing account information and import options. This is where you'll be able to make changes to your email handles. Look for a section called Send Mail As. It's here you'll find a list of all the emails associated with your Gmail account. Carefully review these emails, identifying the secondary email that you wish to remove. When you've identified the secondary email, find the Edit Info link next to it. Upon clicking this link, a window will pop up, providing you certain options related to this email. At this stage, look for a Delete option, often visible as a simple hyperlink within the pop-up. Selecting it should allow you to proceed with the removal of the secondary email from your account. Upon hitting Delete, a prompt might appear asking you to confirm this action. If so, make sure to confirm. Verification steps such as this are essential to prevent unintended changes, which can affect the accessibility of your account. Gmail will handle this request, and upon completion, the secondary email will no longer be associated with your account. Congratulations, you have successfully removed the secondary email from your Gmail settings. By following these clear steps, you've ensured that your email account is now more aligned with your current needs. Always remember that maintaining an organized digital environment reflects on your digital privacy and smooth day-to-day operations. Don't hesitate to check back with Gmail settings if you require further adjustments or want to explore other features that can further optimize your experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guidance on all things Google.